Alright, we'll do an unboxing for this guy. I suppose I watch some really dumb crap on YouTube, so if you want to sit here and watch me open a box, have fun. Ooh, did a good job, didn't I? Because it came from Japan. They would be a thorough packer like me. Alrighty, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Let's open this part here. Alrighty. Well, geez Louise, buckets of cheese. That is a sarcophagus, isn't it? Look at that thing. How are you going to go with this? We're going to have to speed this up, okay, box watchers? Jesus Christ. Come on, we're all waiting for the goddamn big reveal. This is ridiculous. I'll monkey this thing open here. Jesus Christ. Wow, it's like taped on the inside there too. Brutal, absolute brutality. This is freaking hilarious. What the hell kind of box is this? Oh my God, there is a tape on the inside of that thing. Look at that thing. That is a crazy person.